Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In a move that's left many in the EV charging sector reeling, EDF Energy has struck a deal to acquire PodPoint for £10.6 million. This comes as the company grapples with weaker electric vehicle adoption and a plummeting share price. Now, let's take a closer look at what this means for the future of PodPoint and the wider EV charging landscape. As we all know, PodPoint has been a major player in the UK's EV charging network, boasting over 250,000 charging points across the country. However, despite its significant presence, the company has struggled to turn a profit due to slower-than-expected adoption of electric vehicles. According to the latest data from the UK automotive market, pure battery electric cars made up just under a fifth of new car sales last year. This is a far cry from the 22% target set by the government's zero-emission vehicles mandate. Now, that mandate requires carmakers to ensure at least 22% of their sales are pure electric, which would have been seen as a significant boost for EV adoption. However, despite this regulatory push, EV adoption has been slower than expected. And it's not just the lack of consumer demand that's causing PodPoint problems. Increased competition in the market is also taking its toll. The company's share price peaked at around 275p in 2021 after its IPO on the London Stock Exchange, but rapidly dropped to just a fraction of that value. Today's takeover offer from EDF Energy comes as a lifeline for PodPoint, valuing the company at about £10.6 million. This is significantly lower than the £350 million valuation the company had when it floated on the stock market in 2021. Now, it seems EDF is offering just 6.5p per share, but that's still a respectable amount of money for a struggling company like PodPoint. So what does this mean for the future of EV charging? Well, one thing is certain. With EDF taking over, PodPoint will receive much-needed financial support and stability. This could allow it to invest in its charging products and services, which would be a major boost for consumers looking to switch to electric vehicles. And while £10.6 million may seem like a lot of money, it's worth noting that this is still a fraction of PodPoint's original valuation when it floated on the market. In conclusion, EDF Energy's takeover of PodPoint marks an interesting development in the UK's EV charging sector. While the deal may not be the most lucrative for investors, it does provide much-needed stability and support for a struggling company. As we look to the future of EV adoption and charging infrastructure, it's clear that deals like this will play a crucial role in shaping the market. So let's keep an eye on how things develop with PodPoint under EDF Energy's ownership.